Scrampton, are you hungry? What? You're hungry? Well, let's see what we can do about that. You ready to eat? Huh? You hungry, Mama? Are you hungry, Scrampton? Amy, are you hungry, Mama? Yeah? We're fixing it right now. Hold on. I only got one good hand. You want to go eat? Well, come on. Where are we going? You going to show me where to go? Yeah, you want me to follow you? Okay, well, come on. Alright, here, I'll lead the way. How about that? Where? Which way? Are you starving? No? Alright. Has it been a rough day for you? Huh. Yeah, it's kind of rough? Alright. Alright, enjoy your dinner.